I've been doing a lot of videos today, and one of the things that's sitting in the background all the time are these Kwik Cutters. So that's what it looks like in the pack. They're made by Dawn. We distribute, well, HR distribute them, but we sell them here. And I guess anyone who's looking for a pair of these, they'd be available at all professional irrigation shops. I'm not really sure if Hardware have got the gist yet, but these can cut, according to the brochure, PVC pipe, rope, radiator hose, conduit, branches, polypipe, and belts. I'm assuming they're talking about mechanical belts, not leather belts, for those of you that are stuck in your pants. We use them to cut cable in the shop. If you have a look at the blade on that, this would be probably 5 years old or 4 years old. I've got the original pairs of these that we've opened when we first started trading back in 09. That blade is take-outable or removable, if you want to speak proper English. If you're an irrigation contractor, your most important tools will be your cutters and your multi-grips. You want a pair of multi-grips that you can adjust really easily but also stay in the position that they're meant to, and you want a pair of cutters that you can cut polypipe or PVC or cable with, conduit. So the process goes, you put your pipe inside your cutters and you twist as you're cutting, right like that, and that cuts the pipe. Now, you'll get people on site, so if we're moving fast, we're going like this. And these are blunt, like you saw how chewed out that is. If we get right into the guts of it, we're cutting poly, we're getting a nice flat cut. It's clean and they're fast. That's probably the most important part. These guys are on site, they want to move fast. These cutters will also cut PVC pipe. So I've got a piece of 20mm class 12 PVC here. With PVC, you need to probably be a little bit more cautious about keeping it in line. So what we do is we turn the pipe in the cutters, and you'll see I've made, I've scored the pipe with the cutters. I wouldn't usually remove it and continue, but I'm just doing that to show you. So we keep turning the pipe and we're applying pressure on the cutters, and it's scoring it and scoring it and scoring it and scoring it. And see, now I've just pierced the pipe and I turn it again. So that's how you cut PVC with it. Now, if you have a look, you won't be able to see it probably on the camera, but there's a raised lip there now. What the people would do is either use a primer to take that lip off by cleaning it, or you can use your PVC pipe, like the other end of your pipe, and sometimes push it down like that, or you get a hacksaw blade or a file and just get all that junk off. Then if you're going to do a repair, you prime it and glue it. So that's the Kwik Cut. There's a few different versions of this available. They're all available on our website or in store. I just wanted to put something together to show you some of the tools of the trade.